Alright guys, what's up? Look at this news. Alright, Binance just partner with Ronaldo, your favorite player, to promote NFT games and football. Merging cryptocurrency with football. Everybody likes football. Alright, everybody likes football. So that means that football, cryptocurrency. In fact, you don't know what's coming. You don't know what's coming. In fact, just look at it yourself.
I'm delighted to announce my partnership with Binance. Together, we are going to change NFT game and take football to the next level. And this is just the beginning.
Can you see that? All right. So I oblige you guys to actually look out for new crypto like the BDO, World Bank. I'm going to put their links in the description. Go to CoinMarketCap, look for new crypto, or subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be bringing a lot of latest project rather, for you guys. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. Subscribe. All right.